Hi, we're going to make a 3-ingredient peanut butter bars, and they're nice and healthy. Starting with 3 cups of Cheerios, right there. Now, I have this measuring cup, and honey's going in, and I have sprayed the measuring cup. It helps because the honey will slide out really well for you once the cup is all sprayed up. See how well it's coming out of the cup? Just like that. Getting all I can out of it. There we have it. Right there. Just checking to make sure I've got it all. There. Now, we're going in for the peanut butter. The peanut butter is 3/4 of a cup. I sprayed the inside of the measuring cup as well as the cup the peanut butter is in, again because everything slides out really well. So that's my tip of the day for you. See how well it's coming out? Just like that. It's coming out really good. Just want to make sure I get it out of this little cup, get all of it out. There we have it. I don't think there's much more in it. There we go. Take the spatula. I'm going to clean off the spoon here. There, just like that. Then we're going to mix the honey and the peanut butter together until it's all incorporated and nice and smooth looking. Get a good mix right there. Look at that. See how well that mixes together? Nothing sticking to the measuring cup. Works really well. Just like that. 1 minute, because we're going to go stick this in the microwave for 2.5 minutes. Now we want to melt this, but each microwave is different. So you might have a little longer you need to melt yours or a little less. It all depends. I have 1100 watt microwave. So it took me about 2.5 minutes, I would say. There we go. I'm off to check. And let's see what it's going to look like. I know you've got to get an oven mitt or something because it's going to be very hot when you get it out. There it is, all done and hot. Look at that. Ooh, yes, that is very, very hot. Now we're going to pour it into the Cheerios. And that's the peanut butter and honey. And see how well that comes out of the measuring cup. It just slides right out. And once we get all that out of the measuring cup, we're going to mix it together. But we need to get all this out first. Just like this. Clean up the sides and inside here as much as we can. There we have it. Now we're going to mix this up. We're going to stir it. Just like this. And we want to incorporate all that peanut butter and honey with those Cheerios to make it nice and yummy. Now, we've got a pan here. We have an 8x8 pan. What you want to do is you want to spray of your choice, and you want to spray the pan. Then we have a piece of parchment paper, and you want to spray the parchment paper as well, so nothing's sticking. Then we're going to do one more stir in the bowl to make sure it's all incorporated. Then we're going to pour it into this baking dish right here. Just going to move it just a little bit. There we go. Plop! Right in the pan it goes. Getting it all off the sides here. Just like this. And remember, You have to work fairly quickly because this does harden up, and it is hot, so you don't want to burn your hands. You need a spatula or an oven mitt or whatever you want to work with that's not going to burn your hand when you're patting it down into the pan. So my choice is this spatula. It works really well. And you want to kind of make it even when you're patting it down into the pan, just like this. There you have it. Just do the best you can, guessing, you know. One side may be a little higher or a little less, but it comes out usually pretty even. There. That's all done with that part. Now we're going to wait a minute because we need to make sure it's all patted down. And then it's going in the refrigerator for 3/4 to an hour. Here it is, all done out of the refrigerator. Look at that. Didn't that set up well? There you go, just like that. I like to use a pizza cutter because I find it cuts really well. You can use a big knife if you want, but that's up to you. And it firmed up, and it's really nice. I'm going to cut off a small piece here to try it, just like that. There, look at that. Everything's together, holding really well. Now, I'm going to give it a taste test. Here we go. Up with the camera. Hi, I'm Brenda, MAINEiac Grammie. Let's have a taste. Here it goes. Oop, piece is a little big, but boy, is it good. Yum. Yum, yum. Thumbs up on this one. And it kind of melts in your mouth when you're eating it. It's really good. I'm checking it out all over. And this is pretty healthy too. Got honey in it. So give me thumbs up if you like this video. Everything will be in the description box below. God bless. You never know what's going to be on my videos. Have a great day.